Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. Today's topic is really important. Today we are going to study not about stock exchange, no, not about shares. We are going to study about social stock exchange. Yes, you've heard it right. आज हम जिस टॉपिक को पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वो है social stock exchange, SSE, and it has been in news since the last month. Last पूरे महीने ये news में रहा था टॉपिक. So why it's important and what is the definition of SSE? And you all know that in UPSC एग्जाम से पहले के 4 महीने के करंट अफेयर्स तो और भी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. वैसे तो you have to cover last 1.5 years current affairs, but you have to pay special attention in the last 4 months also. Why? Because in your upcoming mains exam those current affairs can be picked up. जो hot topics होते हैं वो उठा लिए जाते हैं मेंस में, नहीं तो इंटरव्यू में पूछ लिए जाते हैं. तो इसीलिए that is why it is said that you have to be very careful when it comes to your current affairs preparation, and even more careful when you read the Hindu newspaper or the Indian Express newspaper. Any one newspaper you can pick up and read it daily, consistently, and with dedication and discipline. Make sure that you are taking down small notes from the newspapers on topics such as social stock exchange and likewise. Okay, the class PDF will be uploaded on my Telegram channel Simplifying UPSC with Ease. You can directly download it from there, and in case you have any doubts, do not hesitate in commenting below. कोई भी डाउट होता है तो नीचे comment section में पूछ सकते हो. I'll be very happy, more than happy in clearing all your doubts. Okay, let's get started. So why it has been in news? Because recently the Securities Exchange Board of India, that is the SEBI, which generally regulates the stock exchange market, it made public the technical group report on social stock exchange. तो अभी रिसेंटली हुआ क्या, सेबी ने टेक्निकल ग्रुप की एक रिपोर्ट थी सोशल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, उसको पब्लिक कर दिया, यानी कि अब आप लोग भी पढ़ सकते हो उस रिपोर्ट को. द प्रपोजल टू सेट अप द सोशल स्टॉक एक्सचेंज वाज फर्स्ट floated or first proposed during the union budget in 2019. So 2019 में भी SSE के लिए इसको सेटअप करने का प्रपोजल रखा गया था, and in September 2019 SEBI constituted a working group to lay out the modalities for creating SSE. तो 2019 में SEBI ने एक वर्किंग ग्रुप भी तैयार किया. यहाँ पर आप टेक्निकल ग्रुप देख रहे हो ना, ताकि SSE को क्रिएट करने के प्लान्स ले आउट कर दिए जाएं. So this working group submitted the report in 2020. And in 2020, SEBI also set up the technical group on the social stock exchange, and the recommendations made by this technical group has been made public by Security and Exchange Board of India. So social stock exchange, they function as a regulated funding platform to allow for-profit social enterprise and not-for-profit organizations with a social purpose to raise funds. जितने भी NPOs या FPEs हैं वो सोशल पर्पस के लिए, सोशल अवेयरनेस के लिए फंड्स रेज कर सकते हैं SSE के प्लेटफॉर्म के माध्यम से. And abhi at present now there are many avenues through which social sector receive funding. For example, in the companies we have a separate department of CSR, right? Then we have impact investing, then we have government grants. But this SSE will bring together social organizations and impact the investors, especially the institutional investors. मतलब अब देखो, अभी फिलहाल तो गवर्नमेंट ग्रांट के थ्रू, कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के थ्रू फंडिंग तो सोशल सेक्टर पे अभी भी मिलती है, बट SSE के थ्रू क्या होगा कि स्पेसिफिकली सिर्फ सोशल पर्पस के लिए आपको फंड्स मिल सकेंगे इस प्लेटफॉर्म के दौरान. सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू streamline the funding pattern. We are trying to streamline the funds right into the specific sector through SSE platform. Before we move forward, here's a small announcement for all of you. Unacademy has launched new batches which are commencing from 30th June 2021. We have batches for 2021 aspirants and we have batches for 2022 aspirants as well and 2023 aspirants as well. आप देखोगे 2021 एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए हमारे पास फिनिक्स रिवीजन बैच है, 2022 के एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए 1 ईयर का बैच है और 2023 के एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए 2 ईयर का बैच है. इवन इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर 2022, स्टिल यू कैन enroll in 2 year batch in order to streamline your preparation and revision. So these batches are starting from 30th June and now you can avail 10% discount also if you use my code ARPITA10. अगर आप ये कोड यूज करते हो ना ARPITA10 तो आपको डायरेक्टली 10% डिस्काउंट भी मिल सकेगा आपके सब्सक्रिप्शन पर. So make sure that you take your subscription today. The link is given below in the description box. Now there there are many prominent SSCs in different countries. In India, we are trying to bring about SSC platform, but in other countries, there is already the SSC platform established. For example, in United Kingdom, we have Social Stock Exchange. In Canada, we have Social Venture Connection. In South Africa, we have South African Social Investment Exchange. Similarly, in Singapore also, we have Impact Investment Exchange. All these are social stock exchanges, right? So, see, in this social stock exchange, the retail investors, they invest money in projects which are related to social issues. Then those projects are used to, you can say, work out the social issues or the social problems that are prevailing in the society. And all of them is done through the voluntary organizations. It can be for-profit organization or not-for-profit organization. So the question comes from the perspective of GS paper 3 in mains. Why do we need an SSC? हमें SSC की जरूरत क्यों है? For example, see, if you are trying to raise money for a social cause, it will be very hard to get the money from government grant or from other private institutions. Why? Because they need, different paperwork, proofs, this and that. But if we have a separate dedicated department for that or a separate dedicated platform, then in that case paperwork will be less and time consumed will be less, because बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा. एक separate department सिर्फ social cause के लिए पैसे raise करने के लिए ही तैयार किया गया है, तो जल्दी काम होगा. So for improved market access, we require SSC. It will facilitate meeting ground between social sectors and investors. Second, transparency and accountability. देखो, if we have a dedicated department for raising funds for social awareness or social causes, then there will be increased transparency, right, in comparison with the other ways through which you can gather money. Then performance based philanthropy. As performance of enterprise listed on SSC would be closely monitored, it will result into better project implementation, because there is a dedicated separate department for raising funds, so it will be monitored also. Because it will be monitored, implementation will be better. And SSC for COVID-19 can also be created. COVID-19 help fund can be set up to activate solutions like pay for success bonds with good intentions or good foundations, right? It can help in that as well. So these are the reasons why we require an SSC right now in India. This was all about the social stock exchange for all of you. I hope you enjoyed this lecture series. If you learned something about SSC in lecture series, then you can let us know in the comment section, and also like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.